Hey YouTube, Street Stomper here. Gonna do a quick sort of a review on the Campbell Hausfeld. Not really a review, but a couple people have asked me to hear it running, so I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna do a couple of tests. I'm gonna do some everyday air tools. I'm gonna use, got my helper over there. I'm gonna use the impact tools first. And then part two, I'll do some cutting tools. That's not all I have. I have a lot more cutting tools, but let's get started. I'm going to set the camera up, and we'll basically I'm just gonna crack some nuts on the trailer. The lug nuts. Gonna loosen them, tighten them. See how long it takes for that thing to kick in. I'm not gonna time anything. I'm gonna kind of do it real world because I don't want to keep cutting the camera and doing all that. So I'm gonna set you up right here. And then we'll have at her. Okay. I had to bring the little guy number 2. Where were we? I'm assuming I'm putting these on. No, it's taking them off. Yeah. Okay. Here. I'm just gotta grab some WD-40 and spray my thing there. I like to spray inside my socket. It helps the lug nuts slide right out. Okay, that one. That would be. Now we gotta tighten them. I think I left off at number 3, so this should be number 4. So, you can totally do, you know, this compressor's perfect. I love this compressor. Fine thing. Work with me. There we go. Okay, tighten these up. Okay, there's that one. That would be 4 tires on and off without that thing even running. So I'm gonna pause it and we'll keep going. Okay, my little helper's back here. So let's go loosen this off. We'll start over again. Okay. That one. You can see the way they just slide right out. WD-40 that. Okay. That's that. Okay. That up. No banging on my table, buddy. You're gonna be noisy. Okay. Done. Here. Yeah, buddy. There'll be another one on and off. Okay, fix your earplugs. Ready? Okay. I'm not going to take that one all the way off. You get the point. Okay. Put that back on. On and off. I'm going to try to leave these on a little bit. There we go. So I have 6 wheels and tires on and off. So in other words, loosened and tightened right back up. So I got my helper here. Oh, be careful. So now you can hear it running. So it drops down to 90. And then I think I had mine to shut off about 130. Keep in mind this is basically right beside it. I just want to show you what my pressure is here. Oh yeah, I don't want to. We'll come back and look at it when it shuts off. We'll go to the other side of the shop. So you can clearly, you could talk in here. You could work with him. You know, it's not too noisy. It's a little bit loud, but it works. Great compressor, so we'll let that shut off, and then we'll I just put a bolt in the vise. There we go. We'll put a couple bolts in the vise. We'll run a air ratchet on it a couple times, and not that there's really any point, but yeah, so I'm about 130. This one particular model can go to 150 psi, but I work with air compressors. This is what my day job is. So you want to set it at a lower pressure, because that higher pressure is really what kills your machines and tires them out. So there you have that. Let me set you up here and we'll run. Okay, so here we go again. I'm going to wear earplugs for this because my air ratchet's not the greatest. It's very noisy. Basically this is a Mastercraft Canadian Tire Special. I think it claims to be like 55 foot-pounds or something. I forget. So what I've done is I've actually torqued this down to 55 with a torque wrench, so we can kind of get an accurate of what it would be like to take it off. So I'm just going to take it off and run it in a couple of times, and it's probably going to take a lot of running this thing for that to kick in. So we'll see. Yes, buddy?
What are you doing?
Making a video, sweetie. Here we go. In a sec, I'll lift you down. Ready? Here we go. Ooh, that's tight. Okay, that's off. Let's tighten it up. Something to eat?
No, are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you and the camera. Okay, that's tight. Let's go loose. You're a funny guy.
Oh, man.
Okay, that's off. Here we go again. Okay, that's tight.
Oh.
My worker hat?
You're white.
When I'm on the job site, buddy. Okay, well that didn't take long actually for that to kick in. So I didn't even keep track of how many times we loosened that.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not even going to run these other tools. I mean, there's really no point. If you have an air ratchet and an impact gun, that's pretty good for impact tools. I could run the 1/4 inch. You know what? It's probably going to run twice as long as the 3/8 did. The 3/8 impact gun, kind of the same as the 1/2 inch impact gun. I really don't see the point in running all of them. But part 2, I will run some air tools. I will run, air grinding tools. I'll run a die grinder, a zip cut, a 90-degree die grinder. I got a big sander. I could run a spray gun. I can show you guys that. But yeah, so let's get this uploaded here. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Say bye!